So today is a new year, January 1st, 2020. So I'm coming to you today with another video. This is a video. You have your chocolate chips. You have your milk. I also have a measuring cup here, simply because it's better. I have my container that I'm going to be using to do the drips, which helps you maintain control as opposed to using a pastry bag or something like that. I prefer this because it helps me maintain control of the drip. So I'm going to be using this, and it's easier to pour in here. So what we're going to do is first we're going to heat up the milk in the microwave and pour it over the chocolate chips. And you're going to allow it to sit there for just a few minutes. So it's been sitting here for a few minutes. Now, and start to stir. I like them to be kind of thick. Okay, so these are the items that you're going to. So you need your spatula. Of course, you need your buttercream. You also need the cakes that you prepared. And you need a turntable, so you can turn your cake, cake board. Now, I use these because, and you can get them at Dollar Tree, Dollar General. You just cut a little portion out and you place it there, and then you got your cake board that you place on top. Also, you need a bench scraper, okay? So let's get started. Okay, so now we're ready to apply the drips. We have my drips here ready in the bottle. So, and we also have some more buttercream, which I'm gonna make a few designs on top. And it's coming together, y'all. Isn't that beautiful? And now I'm going to go around the edges here. And look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Oh my goodness. So here it is, guys. This is the finished product. And that's a beautiful cake. Look at those nice, thick, luscious drips on that cake.